Hello everyone, we try to bring you new interesting information every day. In today's video, we are going to provide you information about the Honam High-Speed Railway. The Korea Rail Network Authority is planning to construct Honam High-Speed Rail project connecting Osang to Mokpo via Gwangju in South Korea. The project involves the construction of a 231.3 km long Honam High-Speed Railway line and being implemented in phases. The first phase includes the construction of a 182.3 km high-speed rail line between Osang and Gwangju, while the second phase includes the construction of a 49 km rail line from Hyangnam to Iksan and from Gwangju to Mokpo. The project includes the construction of 6 stations, bridges, spans and related facilities and the installation of signaling and telecommunication system. Systra Korea.Limited has been appointed as study consultant for the project. In December 2019, construction works on the first phase commenced. In August 2012, a consortium of LSIS and including Ansaldo STS was appointed to supply a signal and train control system for the first phase of the project. Ansaldo STS scope of the contract includes the design of the automatic train control and interlockings as well as validation, testing and commissioning, training and maintenance. In January 2013, Rail 1 HMBH was awarded a contract to supply bi-block concrete sleepers for the project. Production of the sleepers will take place in factories in Suwon. In Jan 2016, KRNA announced a design competition for the second phase with submission deadline as April 3, 2016. Saman Corporation has been appointed as a design consultant for the project. Preliminary design work is underway and Saman Corporation is in the process to incorporate the LUSAS Bridge analysis technology in the second phase of the project. The project involves the construction of 231.3 km long Honam High-Speed Railway line connecting Osang to Mokpo via Gwangju in South Korea. The 100,000 million project includes the construction of a 49 rail line connecting Gwangju and Mokpo in the second phase, construction of 6 stations, construction of bridges, construction of culverts, construction of spans, installation of tracks, installation of signaling and telecommunication system. The Korea Rail Authority is developing the new 231 km long Honam High-Speed Railway line from Osang to Mokpo in South Korea in 2 phases. The first phase will run between Osang and Gwangju and the second phase between Gwangju and Mokpo. The project is estimated to cost approximately $10.6 billion, including $700 million for purchasing rolling stock. The new high-speed line is part of Korea's Korea Train Express system and is expected to accelerate the existing Seoul-Mokpo and Seoul-Gwangju ktx high-speed services. When fully operational, the Honam line is expected to reduce the one-way travel time between Seoul and Gwangju from more than 12 hours to just 90 minutes. Hyundai Rotem's ktx-II high-speed train set will run on the line at a speed of 300 km per hour. Each train is 388 meters long, weighs 771 tons, including passenger weight, and consists of 935 seats. The trains are driven by 25 kV electricity and powered by 12 traction electric motors of 1130 kilowatt each. The Honam High-Speed Railway is a major transportation project that involved extensive planning, engineering and construction efforts. So now we will discuss or we will overview the build history of the line. Planning and design. The planning and design phase of Honam High-Speed Railway project began in the early 2000s with the South Korean government seeking to expand the country's high-speed rail network. A feasibility study was conducted and the final plan for Honam line was announced in 2007. Construction Phase 1. The first phase of the construction involved building a new track between Osang and Gwangju spanning 56.3 km. This section of the line required extensive tunneling, bridge building and earthquakes and was completed in 2010. Construction Phase 2. The second phase of construction involved building the section of the line between Gwangju and Mokpo spanning 12 126.2 kilometers. This section required significant earthworks as well as the construction of numerous tunnels and bridges and was completed in 2014. Testing and certification. After construction was completed, the line underwent extensive testing and certification to ensure that it met the necessary safety and performance standards. This included testing of trains themselves as well as the tracks, signaling systems and other infrastructure. Opening. The Honam High-Speed Railway officially opened on 2nd of April 2015 with a ceremony attended by South Korean President Park Geun-hye. The line has since become a major transportation artery connecting the cities of Gwangju, Mokpo with travel times of under 2 hours. The construction of Honam High-Speed Railway involves significant challenges including difficult terrain, complex engineering requirements and environmental concerns. However, the line was built using advanced technology and state-of-the-art equipment including high-speed trains capable of traveling at speeds of up to 305 km per hour. The total cost of the project was approximately 10.7 trillion Korean yuan and it is widely regarded as a major achievement in South Korean transportation infrastructure development. The construction of Honam High-Speed Railway began in the early 2000s with the final plan for the line announced in 2007. The project was completed in 2 phases, with the first phase involving the construction of a new track between Osang and Gwangju and the second phase involving the construction of section between Gwangju and Mokpo. The line officially opened on 2nd April 2015 and has since become a major transportation artery in the country. The Honam High-Speed Railway was built to provide a fast, efficient and convenient means of travel between major cities in the region and to alleviate congestion on existing transportation infrastructure. The Honam High-Speed Railway can be considered a problem-solving solution for South Korea. The construction of rail line was a response to several transportation-related problems in the region, including congestion on existing roads and railways, air pollution, and the need for faster and more efficient transportation options. By providing a fast, efficient, and convenient means of travel between major cities in the region, the Honam High-Speed Railway has helped to address these problems. It has reduced congestion on existing roads and railways, which has helped to improve the flow of goods and people in the region. It has also helped to reduce air pollution by providing an alternative to car and travel, which are both more polluting. In addition, the Honam High-Speed Railway has provided economic benefits to the region by increasing connectivity and promoting economic growth. The Honam High-Speed Railway has served benefits for South Korea, including improved connectivity. The Honam High-Speed Railway has improved connectivity between major cities in the region, making it faster and more convenient for the people to travel to work, leisure, or other purposes. This has helped to stimulate the economic growth and development in the region. The second benefit is reduced congestion. Before the Honam High-Speed Railway was built, the existing transportation infrastructure was often congested, especially during peak travel times. The new rail line has helped to alleviate this congestion, reducing travel times and making transportation more efficient. The third benefit is reduced environmental impact. The Honam High-Speed Railway is a more environmentally friendly mode of transportation than road or air travel. The use of high-speed trains reduces greenhouse gas emission and air pollution and also helps to reduce noise pollution in urban areas. The construction and operations of Honam High-Speed Railway has provided a boost to the local and national economy. The project created jobs during the construction phase and has also led to increased tourism and economic activity in the region. The last benefit is improved safety. The Honam High-Speed Railway features advanced technology and safety systems, which has helped to improve the safety of rail travel in the region. The trains are equipped with automatic train control system, which help to prevent accidents and reduce the risk of human error. The key elements of the Honam High-Speed Rail are the track, high-speed trains, advanced signaling and control systems, stations, bridges and tunnels. Now we will discuss these one by one. The track. The track of the Honam High-Speed Rail consists of dedicated tracks that are separate from existing railway lines and highways. The tracks are designed to allow high-speed trains to travel at top speeds of up to 305 km per hour. The next key element is high-speed trains. The Honam High-Speed Rail uses advanced high-speed trains that are capable of traveling at high speeds. These trains are designed to be comfortable and efficient with features such as air conditioning, comfortable seating, and onboard amenities. The next key element is advanced signaling and control systems. The Honam High-Speed Rail uses advanced signaling and train control systems to ensure safe and efficient operations. These systems include automatic train control, which helps to prevent collision and reduce the risk of human error. Another key element is stations. The Honam High-Speed Rail has modern, well-designed stations that provide a high level of comfort and convenience for the passengers. These stations are equipped with amenities such as restaurants, shops, and waiting areas and are easily accessible by other forms of transportation. The next and the last key element is bridges and tunnels. The Honam High-Speed Rail features several bridges and tunnels which are designed to allow the trains to travel through mountains regions and cross major rivers. Now we will discuss the duration. The duration of Honam High-Speed Rail project was approximately 10 years. The construction of the project began in 2005 and the first section of the rail line between Osang and Gwangju opened for commercial service in April 2015. The remaining sections of the line were gradually completed and opened over the following years, with the final section between Gwangju and Mokpo opening in 2020. It's worth noting that the planning and preparation for the project took several years before construction began, including feasibility studies, environmental assessment, and securing fundings. So the entire process of planning, preparing, and constructing the Honam High-Speed Railway likely took more than a decade. The project is estimated to cost approximately $10.6 billion, including $700 million for purchasing rolling stocks. That's all for today. I hope you will enjoy the video. Thank you.